The race continues to release a COVID-19 vaccine, but it seems as though most of the trials happening right now are focused on adults, but children can be infected too. Doctors say there are several reasons why.
We well recognized during this pandemic that most of the problems are in adults and that children are not resistant, but they're more resilient. All right, children can still get infected and they can still get very sick, but thankfully not nearly in the numbers that we see in adults.
Dr. Frank Esper is a pediatric infectious disease specialist. He says it's not uncommon for drug trials to focus on adults first. That's because there are more layers of protection required for children, which can be time-consuming. Another reason is that children are still growing, so trials have to be separated by several age groups, and that means more participants are needed. However, with adults, they can categorize them more easily. Lastly, he says it's more difficult to enroll children in research studies. You can enroll many adults fairly quickly into a vaccine trial, but it takes much longer to get enough children. And time is of the essence when it comes to developing a COVID-19 vaccine.
Children's immune systems are growing up just like they are. So there is a big difference between a 2-year-old, a 20-year-old, and a 92-year-old in their immune system. And so you can't just say all children are the same. You actually have to test specific age groups of children.
Doctors say we will not be able to fully control the pandemic until there's a vaccine for all ages. Right now, adults are the priority, but he's confident studies involving children are on the way.